What do you say about this painting?
Well, I'm actually particularly liking the playful take that Sophia Forja's work has with the body parts and combining typography with, the imagery. So I think that's what's shining out at me the most. But juxtaposed with Nadia's very delicate lines and the delicacy overall of her entire imagery, I think most of the works are actually pretty interesting overall.
So nice of you. Nice to talk to you, Pakistan Peace TV.
ये मैंने सीरीज बनाई है, 5 की सीरीज़ है और ये फोकस करती है जो ह्यूमन बॉडी की मोस्टली वो वाली एरियाज़ जो हम आजकल हम बहुत देखते हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे फिल्टर्स होते हैं जिन फिल्टर से उनको छोटा करते हैं, रिमूव करते हैं या उनको सेंसर करते हैं. सो आई मेड सम पीसेस जो नोजेस के बिग नोजेस जैसे आप देख रहे हैं बिकॉज द नोज इज़ एक्चुअली सबसे ज़्यादा प्लास्टिक सर्जरी होती है नाक के ऊपर. सबसे ज़्यादा नाक को छुपाया जाता है, सबसे ज़्यादा एंगल्स ढूंढे जाते हैं कि हमारी नाक सही लगे, नज़र ना आए. और जो हमारे बहुत लाइक सेइंग्स भी हैं कि आपकी नाक कट जाएगी, नाक के नीचे हो रहा था रबिंग योर नोज एंड सो नाक जो है इट इज़ सो मिठाई नाक. सो I'm trying to highlight the beauty of the parts of the body जो otherwise लोग थोड़े से I feel like they're just not very appreciated.
So nice of you. Nice to talk to you, Pakistan Peace TV.
My name is Nadia Batul Hussain, and it's about looking inwards to find yourself. And I mostly used anatomical diagrams and other objects to talk about that.
मेरा नाम अफसाइनम है और मैं भी आर्ट की फील्ड में हूँ. तो ये काम जो यहाँ पे हुआ है मुझे सबसे पूरी गली में सबसे जो प्यारा काम है मुझे ये लग रहा है. और मैं जब भी घूम फिर के आती हूँ मैं इसी को प्रैक्टिस टेक करती हूँ. ठीक है, मुझे बहुत प्यारा लगता है.
Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, good afternoon. It's a pleasure having you all here. It's a great pleasure to open the show today, and it was fun cutting the ribbon with those young ladies and everybody else involved. Thank you again, Marshall, for helping us with that. Well, thank God it's October, and we have Pinktober starting today in our hotel, as you can see, which we do in support for our female colleagues from the hotel. So from that side, it is great to connect that with your exhibition, with your show, with your vernissage. Bare Bone is something which, the title, when I read it first, I was a little bit struck and I started to think about it. And I think, for me personally, and again, art is relative, for me, Bare Bone is humanity, is looking after others, trying to help people, but at the same time trying to show people what we see, what you see, and what all of you see when you look at the art pieces on the wall. So please do enjoy the show.